When you receive your Rascal Venture three-wheel scooter, it will be contained in one box. There will be several components when unboxing the scooter: seat post, hardware pack and keys, seat assembly, battery box, basket and scooter base. To remove the base, simply detach the front and rear halves to make it lighter and easier to lift. Once the scooter and all components are removed, discard the packaging. To set up your Rascal Venture three-wheel scooter, start with a seat post. Remove a large detent pin from the hardware pack and determine seat-to-floor height needed for the user to operate in a comfortable and safe manner. Line up the holes and set by pushing the pin through the hole. Next, place the battery box in the dedicated spot on the deck of the scooter. Once complete, place the seat on top of the seat post by lining up the seat plate and the hole. Now, attach the armrests by loosening up the thumb screw and slide the bracket into the dedicated side receiver. Using the small detent pin from the hardware pack, determine the width needed for the user to be comfortable. Line up the holes in the arm bracket and set with the small detent pin. Then, tighten the thumb screw to eliminate any unnecessary arm movement. The armrests are side-specific, so repeat on the other side. Place the basket on the front brackets of the tiller. Unlock the tiller by turning the knob located at the base of the tiller and place the key in the key switch on top of the console. Now setup is complete. The Rascal Venture is a 300-pound weight capacity scooter that comes in red color through shrouding and has a 12-amp-hour battery pack. The Rascal Venture has several key features, starting with the console, which contains a bright 10 LED voltmeter key switch, horn, and speed adjustment knob. Just below the console is one of two charging ports. The easy-to-adjust tiller knob allows the user to articulate the tiller to a comfortable position. The comfortable 17x17 seat has flip-up arms and an easy-to-reach lever under the right side of the seat that allows the transferring in and out of the scooter. With swift release technology, the unit disassembles into 5 easy-to-manage pieces to make traveling with the Rascal Venture convenient. The removable battery box has its own charging port to allow the batteries to be transported and charged easily on and off the unit. Located on the rear of the scooter is a yellow lever, which allows the scooter to be moved whenever necessary without powering on the scooter. Get ready to take back your freedom with the Rascal Venture three-wheel scooter.